As an incoming real estate investor, one of the best strategies you can use to make more profit in real estate investment is to make sure you look for area that is experiencing growth and development before you invest in real estate. If you can successfully do this thing, your appreciation is guaranteed. The area does not need to be developed, but it must have potential for appreciation in the future. And on top of that, it is not compulsory to be in a urban area or city. You can buy land in rural area in as much it has potential for appreciation in the long run. But you don't know how to discover location that has tendency for growth and development for your investment. Don't worry. All you need to do is focus on area with high population or area with potential for increase in population in the long run. Focus on area with adequate infrastructure like construction of new roads and some other necessary amenities that can attract people to that environment. Those things I mentioned are some of the determinants or elements that showcase if an area is presently experiencing growth or development, or the area has tendency for growth and development in future. Because if an area is developing gradually,